This video will show you how to replace the front sway bar links on a Pontiac Grand Prix. This will be located behind your front wheel. Let's get into it. A quick note about replacing this part: when you do it as a pair, and the process is the same on either side of the vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we have to do is safely raise and support the front end of the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground. After that, remove all 5 of your 19mm lug nuts and we can get the wheel off of here. Now that we have the wheel off, we have a clear view of our front sway bar link. Let's start where it connects to our front strut. Now to dislodge this, we're going to be using a 16mm for our mounting nut. When you go to loosen this, you may find that the sway bar link stud spins. To help prevent that, you can use a 7mm socket on the far end there. You may find that you have to use locking pliers along the back side of the strut mount here. We're going to hold on to that sway bar link stud, preventing it from turning, and we can continue removing this mounting nut. Continue with my 16mm. Now we can separate that front sway bar link from the strut. Now we can follow the sway bar link all the way down to the bottom towards that sway bar, and we can remove that hardware next. So we can see our hardware here. We'll use the same tools. Let's remove that front sway bar link. There it is, friend. Now, prior to installing our brand new part, let's make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. So I'm starting down at my front sway bar. We'll use a wire brush. Go ahead and clean that down. Make sure it's not rotted, damaged, or weak in any way. This looks good. Let's make our way up to that front strut next. Put the front strut here, wire brush. Go ahead and clean that down as well as you deem fit. Make sure it's not rotted or weak. Let's get ready to install the brand new front sway bar link. We'll start down at the bottom at the sway bar. We'll slide this into position. Start on the mounting nut. Now on your brand new front sway bar link, you're going to find that there's an area you can easily grab onto with a 16mm wrench. This will prevent the shaft from spinning while we use a 15mm for our mounting nut. Now the torque for this is 44 foot-pounds. Double check to confirm that's properly secured. Let's make our way up to the top. Let's make sure we secure the sway bar link to the front strut assembly. Line it up, press it through the port. We'll start on the mounting nut. Snug it up. The torque for this is 44 foot-pounds. One last quick inspection in this area and we can prepare to reinstall our front wheel. Let's reinstall our wheel. Start on all 5 of your 19mm lug nuts. Once you have them all started on, snug them up. We'll get the wheel back on the ground and then torque each lug nut to 100 foot-pounds. Now that I have the wheel back on the ground, I'm going to be torquing each one of my lug nuts to that 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. Okay friend, we showed you how to install the front sway bar link on one side of the vehicle. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. Once you've completed the pair, take your vehicle for a road test and listen for any odd noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.